Hey guys, this is Anjali and you are watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Oppo Ace 2 versus Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let's begin with the body of the devices. Let's start with the thickness of the devices. Oppo Ace 2 have 8.6 mm of thickness and K30 Pro have 8.9 mm of thickness. So the winner here is Oppo Ace 2 due to slimmer body. About the weight of the devices, Oppo Ace 2 comes with 186 grams of weight and K30 Pro comes with 218 grams of weight. So the clear winner here is Oppo Ace 2 because of lower body weight. And about the protection of the devices, both the devices comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So here it's a tie. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. Both the devices comes with glass back and aluminum frame. So again it's a tie here. And also in SIM department, both the devices have dual nano SIM support, so no one is the winner here. Moving to the one of the best feature of the devices, that is camera. Let's talk about the rear camera of the devices. Oppo Ace 2 have 48 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel of black and white depth sensor and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. And about the K30 Pro have 64 megapixel of wide camera, 5 megapixel of telephoto micro camera, 13 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. So the winner here is K30 Pro because of large megapixel count and larger megapixel size can produce detailed pictures. And about the front camera of the devices, Oppo Ace 2 comes with 16 megapixel of wide camera and K30 Pro comes with 20 megapixel of wide camera. So the winner here is K30 Pro because of higher pixel count. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. Both the devices have LED flash, HDR and panorama. So the winner here is K30 Pro because of dual LED flash. And about the video recording options in the devices, both the devices can shoot video at 4K at 60 fps and 1080p at 240 fps with electronic image stabilization of the devices. But the winner here is Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro because of it can shoot 8K video at 30 fps and shoot slow motion 1080p at 960 fps. Moving forward to the display of the devices, Oppo Ace 2 have 6.55 inches of display and K30 Pro comes with 6.67 inches of display. So the winner here is K30 Pro because of large screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, Oppo Ace 2 have 85.9% of display and Redmi K30 Pro have 87.2% of display. So the winner again here is Redmi K30 Pro because of higher screen to body ratio. Let's talk about the resolution of the devices. Both the devices have 1080p of resolution. So the winner here is Oppo Ace 2 because of it have higher PPI than K30 Pro. And about the display type of the devices. Ace 2 comes with AMOLED display with 90Hz of refresh rate and K30 Pro comes with Full AMOLED display. So the winner here is Oppo Ace 2 because of 90Hz of refresh rate of the display. Let's talk about the performance of the devices. Let's start with the operating system of the devices. Both the devices comes with Android 10 support. So here it's a tie here. And about the user interface of the devices, Oppo Ace 2 comes with Colors 7.1 and K30 Pro comes with MIUI 11. So I will call it's a tie here because it's personal choice which UI you like it or not. Talking about the processor of the devices, both the devices comes with Snapdragon 865. So here it's a tie. And same in the GPU of the devices. Both the devices comes with Adreno 650 of GPU. So again it's a tie. Talking about the clock speed of the devices, both the devices can clock at 2.84 GHz of octa-core processor based on Kryo 585 chipset. So here's a tie again. And about the RAM option of the devices, Ace 2 have two options, 8 and 12 GB of RAM, and in K30 Pro comes with 6 and 8 GB of RAM options. So the winner here is Oppo Ace 2 because of higher RAM options. Talking about the internal storage options of the devices, both the devices have two options, 128 and 256 GB of storage options. So the winner here is K30 Pro because of it have 256 GB UFC 3.1 storage. And about the card slot option of the devices, none of them have external card support. So it's a tie here. Moving forward to the communication chips in the devices, let's talk about the wireless LAN of the devices. Both the devices have Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct and hotspot chips. So here it's a tie here. And about the Bluetooth of the devices, both the devices have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth. So it's a tie here. Talking about the GPS of the devices, both the devices have dual band GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS and QZ-access. So again it's a tie here. And also in USB connectors of the devices, both the devices have second generation of Type C OTG port. So again it's a tie here. Let's talk about the features of the devices. Let's start with the fingerprint of the devices. Both the devices have under-display fingerprint scanner. So again it's a tie here. And about the sensor of the devices, both the devices have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass in the devices. But the winner here is K30 Pro because it have barometer. Let's talk about the battery capacity in the devices. Oppo Ace2 have 4000 mAh of lithium battery and K30 Pro have 4700 mAh of battery. So the winner here is K30 Pro because of bigger battery capacity. And about the charging of the devices, Oppo Ace2 have 65 watt of fast charging with 10 watt of wireless reserve charging and K30 Pro have 33 watt of rapid charging. So the winner here is Oppo Ace2 because of wireless reserve charging. Talking about the loudspeaker of the devices, Oppo Ace2 have stereo speakers and K30 Pro have normal speakers. So the winner here is Oppo Ace2 cause of stereo speakers. And about the headphone jack of the devices, Oppo Ace2 does not have any headphone jacks and K30 Pro have 3.5mm of headphone jacks. So the winner here is K30 Pro because of 3.5mm of headphone jacks. And about the main features of the devices, that is price of the devices. In the US market, Oppo Ace2 starts from $565 and K30 Pro starts from $550 and in Indian market, Oppo Ace2 starts from 40,000 rupees and K30 Pro starts from 33,000 rupees. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.